Hi, welcome to Your Learning Cave YouTube channel. Please do subscribe for latest videos. This is Ishwar. You can reach me at info@sapclass.com. The topic which I'm going to discuss how to retrofit SU24 changes from AMS landscape to project landscape. Yeah, let's move on to the topic. Yeah, you see this diagram. I have mentioned the AMS landscape, project landscape, and production, which is the life system. Okay. I think some of the junior resources may be wondering why the project has two development, two quality, and one production. Okay. So, yeah, that's a good question. But, you know, uh, if let's suppose the client is already, implemented the ECC or maybe S4 HANA for North America region, right? Where they want to roll out those ECC functionality, the SAP ECC box, the business functionality SAP into other regions like Europe, Asia, yeah, all the countries. They want to wherever they have their presence, they want to roll out this SAP applications into the other parts of their business too. So in that case, for the North America, they run the business as a BAU, that's AMS landscape, right? So when they going to implement the or roll out the other regions, they can't make the changes into the AMS landscape. So in that scenario, they have to build the separate landscape for projects. Okay, so project team uh, will build their the new functionality, okay, new company codes, uh, whatever they're bringing for the new regions, they make the all that relevant configuration in development, yeah, and then they move the changes to quality, and then after completing the UAT and everything, they will go live, right? At the same time, as a BAU, this the North America is currently active and running in the production. So they will have the separate AMS landscape and separate project landscape. Okay. Okay. The topic which I'm going to discuss is the retrofit, right? It's not just the security or the ABAP. So all the technical and the functional folks has to retrofit their AMS changes into the project. Okay, why they have to do this, right? Why they have to do this? After some time, when the new changes are gone live, okay, so the project landscape will become the AMS landscape. Whatever the existing AMS landscape will become a sunset, or they will use those boxes for the upcoming projects. The reason why, so whatever the functionality they have introduced that exist in the project landscape only, because uh, they can't make the changes in AMS and the project. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. So that is the reason they will switch the latest configuration, whatever they have in the project landscape. They'll keep that project landscape as will become a AMS landscape, because that holds the AMS part and also the new changes. Okay, new regional changes. Okay, during the project period, okay, AMS might introduce lot of customization. I, I wouldn't say lot of, some part of it may introduce some customization where developers develop the reports or table views, anything. When they do, they have to retrofit those changes into the project landscape too, because eventually the switch will happen, the boxes switch will happen after go live. So AMS, whatever the changes they do, they will replicate into the development box. Okay. So, as part of this process, security team also needs to complete their part. Okay, they may be receiving some new custom T codes during this project tenure, and they may made the changes to those custom T codes or maintained SU24 entries. If it is a report S underscore program, we set it up for execution permissions, and if it is a table, if there is a custom table, and we use this underscore uh, tab disk, right? So we maintain those authorized, we add those authorization objects into the custom T codes, right? That is the mostly used. So those changes has to be moved into the project landscape. Before you move any changes from the development to AMS development to the project landscape development, ensure that the ABAPers, the ABAPers have moved their changes into the project landscape. Otherwise, if you try to move the custom T codes which you maintained in SU24, uh, that won't be recognized by the project landscape. So you need to check with the ABAP team whether they have moved the changes. After that, you can move the changes into the project landscapes. I hope you understand this concept, right? By looking at the diagram, it's pretty much neat, neat and clean. I think you can easily understand this, the picture. So let's move on to the actual demo. The purpose, the topic which I have chosen, the retrofit, the mass SU24 changes retrofitting from AMS development box to the project landscape box. Okay, if there are just only one custom T code, then it won't take much time. What if there are more than one? So how long you need to spend the time to redoing that stuff in the project landscape? So it will take a huge time. Maybe you're thinking that you can create the TR, whatever the changes you done in the SU24 and moving into the project landscape. Yeah, that is also work. If the basis did not apply any new basis and ABAP patches, higher patches into the project landscape, yes, you can create a TR from the AMS and then move to the project landscape. But in case if they apply the new higher patches into the project landscape, there will be a patch level difference. So even though if you create the TR in the lower patch level, if you try to move it into the higher patch level, it's not going to work. So is there any other alternative? Yes, there is an alternative. So I'll show you that. Okay, how you can move the mass SU24 changes from the AMS landscape to the project landscape. Okay, let's move on to the exact demo. Yeah, where SU24 changes are stored. Whatever the changes we do, there are two tables where our changes are captured, right? Where it's stored, right? So I execute the SS16, and now there is a table. This is the table US OBX underscore C. C is the customer changes are stored in this table, and another table is US OBT underscore C. So let me execute the USOBX underscore C now. Yeah, I'm going to choose the custom transaction code only here because this is where we make the changes, right? We do the check enabled in the SU24. Okay, you see 246 entries are there in this table. Let's check the other table too. This one is having 226, right? I don't think you need me to go into the table entries, right? I hope you all know. My topic is just to show the how we can do the mass export and import stuff of the SU24 from the AMS to the project landscape. Okay. Yeah, it has some entries. both the tables has some entries, right? Okay, now I'm going to SU24 transaction code. Yeah, I'm not explaining the how we maintain the SU24. Okay, I'm just going to show how we can do the mass import and export. When you reach the SU24, you see there is an option, right? Download. Okay, we all are becoming busy in our projects, and we are always keep spending little time for the exploring the options. So I hope this will help you guys. Okay, mostly you may be aware of it, but I thought of sharing this video with you. So I'm clicking the download. Yeah, I'm going with the all the standards. I'm not going to change anything here. I have few transaction codes. Yeah, I'm not going to download all of them. Okay, and this is the demo system, and I have very less data here. So I'm just picking up these three transaction codes. Paste, exclude, right? Continue. So it's prompting us to save the data into the drive. Okay, that is your PC. I have the location. uh, Let me take that location entry. Okay, I have saved the entry. It's asking me yeah, I have saved the entry. Okay, I can show the location. Let's see the location here. The table is downloaded. I mean, the data is downloaded, not table, data is downloaded. So I'm just going back, and you see the upload. I don't have any other landscape to show this practically, and it's not possible because we have only one demo system. And assume that this is the project landscape we downloaded from the AMS. Now we are uploading into the um, project landscape. Okay, so click on the upload option there and hit the drop down. You need to choose the transaction codes. Okay, so we are only uploading the customer data, whatever the changes we have done on the AMS side for the uh, we are not downloading the SAP delivered, only changes which we have done in the SU24. Okay, so I just choose the transaction code, but I am not going to alter any of these options. Okay, so I'm executing this. It will prompt to choose a file. So the one which I have downloaded, so I'm choosing that file again. It's asking to allow. Yeah, I'm using in the test mode. If you, I'm not sure if you observed or not, I have used the test mode. The reason, before import the changes into the project landscape, don't directly don't uncheck this and then execute it. You try to do the simulation first. Okay, the way we did it now. If you want to upload, simply uncheck execute and execute and select the file and execute. So it's running in the background. It's asked for the TR. Okay, you can create any TR. It's done. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to do. Importing from the data from the AMS and uploading to the project. This is simple. Okay, I'm not discussing about the roles from the AMS to project landscape. Here I just want to explain about the SU24 entries, right? So that's all from my side for this topic. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. Yeah, stay tuned to the your learning cave. Yeah, we'll see you in the next topics. Thank you.